Proxy Server. Attacker use Proxy Server to hide identity of him. Using Proxy Switcher tool, we can hide our identity, our IP address. So let's see how we can utilize Proxy Switcher to switch to the Proxy Server and hide our IP address. So let's begin. Here you can see I have Windows Server 2012 and my IP address is 42.106.3.246. Now, here you can see I open a Proxy Switcher and I already scan for a live proxy servers. So here you can see if you want to test any proxy server availability, you can click on this icon. And if you want to download another proxy list, just click on it. I have already basic anonymity available. And if you want to use a SSL based proxy server, just select any country. Like I have a basic anonymity and I want to select India based proxy server. Just select it and just click on this icon. It will switch to the selected proxy server, and IP address of proxy server is 103.216.82.209. Now open google.com and just for my IP address. If proxy is working fine, it will open google.com with the result. It can take some time because data is traveling through proxy servers, and sometimes proxy servers work in slow network, so it gives time to give a result. You can see Google is asking for CAPTCHA because we recently changed IP address and Google has detected proxy server's IP address. You can see Google detected IP address 103.216.82.209 and here same IP address we have. You can see 103.216.82.20, and if you want to switch to the another proxy, just select it and click on it. It will connect to the different IP address. Like if you want to connect to Bangladesh, just select it and click on this green icon. Let me select another series like 114 for India, and now just refresh it. You can see IP address has been changed 114.30.75.160. So hope you understand how we can switch to the proxy servers using Proxy Switcher software. So thank you for watching this video.